How to factory reset your Android phone? Here's how. Before you begin, make sure you've backed up your important photos, videos, contacts, and other files, as this process will permanently erase everything stored on your device. First, open the Settings app. Tap About Phone. Next, scroll down and tap Factory Reset. Now, select Erase All Data. Simply verify your identity by entering your PIN, password, or pattern if prompted. I'm not going to reset my phone, but once you verify your identity, the factory reset will begin automatically. Your Android phone will restart and erase all data, which may take several minutes to complete. That's it. You've successfully learned how to factory reset your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.